are at Lodge of the Ozarks. Let's take a look at our room. This is room 435. We'll start with the door, our fire map, and safety information. Yeah, of course, all that information that you need to know. And then also for security features, you do have is your deadbolt down here. Get the head up to her. There you go. So, tilt it. And then of course you got a latch to throw across the door as well. You do have one light switch over here on the inside, which I do already have on, but there you go. We'll head into the bathroom in a moment. But as you enter in, here's a closet. Little shelving space up there. Also an iron. And there is an ironing board tucked back here. There are plenty of hangers. There's a lot of drag down here that's hidden behind my suitcase. So it is definitely getting its use. And you do get plenty of hangers. And we'll take a quick look into the bathroom. Now you do have two lights in here. Light number 1 right above the mirror. And light number 2 kind of more into the bathroom a little bit. As we head in, definitely clean. Plenty of counter space. And a hairdryer. Large mirror, hello. And of course you get plenty of towels. Go ahead and close the door here. And give you a look inside the shower. Inside this back here. So as you can see, very clean. Water pressure is great. I'm not really in the mood to get wet, so I'm not going to test that out for you right now. But then if we slide it back the other way, here we go, you get a bottle of shampoo here. Set that aside over here. Another thing of bath soap. Oops, sorry about that. We didn't have that close. And of course, my favorite amenity here, shower caps, which means some people in my family are getting some free Christmas presents. But anyway, as we head in more, we have a big mirror here right inside the room with a nice little light. Couple plugs down here with the switch. And of course a coffee pot and a couple of different blends here. First up we have a mahogany dark roast. And a French roast. And of course, lastly, you have some decaf as well. Throw these back over here. Not really a coffee drinker, so that doesn't really help me at all. We got some storage space here that you could tell I'm utilizing very well here. This little shelf above as well that can come in handy. And then you got plenty of storage space next to the little kind of makeshift vanity here. If you have other suitcases or bags that you need to throw in here. Alright, and this is a 2-queen room. So here's bed number 1. Obviously not being used. And my bed over here, bed number 2. Circle back around. You got a big TV. Of course, ice bucket and cups and everything. And your drawers down here. Now, these drawers over here actually are not drawers. These are a hidden cabinet. That if you open it up, you have a shelf for storage space. And a mini fridge that you can put whatever you want in there. I just have some drinks in there for the moment. Kind of help top me over while I'm in the room. And then this side is all storage space and drawers. And then if we move further over into the room, as you can already see here, we've got a desk and a lamp. And then there's a mirror above the desk. Hello. And pull cord below the lamp. Turn it on. And off. And then over here in the corner, you have a nice little leather chair to sit in with a reading lamp behind it. And then over here, of course, is the window. This gives you an idea of the view. So next door is the Acrobats Theater. We're looking at the side of it, so nothing really to see at night. But if you look out front, you're sort of at an angle. There's a couple other theaters out there that will light up at night. And those could be kind of impressive. Now, you have to look at the right angle, but hey, it is a sort of view. And then down here is the heating cooling unit. One last little touch over here. We of course have our other lamp, and there is a plug in USB down here as well. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. There we go. So you can see there's a USB down there, and then there's a plug being used as well. There's a clock back there in the corner, and a phone, and of course some more drawers. So this has been a look at room 435 at Lodge of the Ozarks. Overall, really enjoyed my stay here. This is actually going to be my last night. Branson's definitely a lot of fun if you've never been, so it's definitely worth coming out here. I mean, this is a great hotel for the price. I was able to get it for a little under $100 a night, so really it's a great deal. You get free breakfast, which is a breakfast buffet, and of course the location is perfect. I mean, you're right on the strip, you're next to a couple theaters, within walking distance to a couple museums. Silver Dollar City is about 15 minutes away. So, I mean, overall, you're in a great location here. So from Lodge of the Ozarks in Branson, this is Matt signing off.